In this video, I will show you how to disable the Roblox desktop app. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are currently on my desktop. So this is of course for the beta version of Roblox, the desktop app. So in order to do this, it's relatively simple. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come to the search box in the bottom left hand corner, give that a click, and then go ahead and type this PC. So this is actually an update to a tutorial I did previously. It is actually a slightly different way to do it now. So what you want to do when you've come into your PC, you want to go into your C drive. And then what you want to do is actually click onto the users folder. Next, what you want to do is just select your user from the list. So for myself, it's going to be Martin. And what you want to do is locate the app data folder. So if you don't have this showing, if you come up to the top and click onto view, and what you want to do is make sure the hidden items option here is actually ticked. So once you tick this box, this folder should appear. Next, go ahead and go into the app data, then double click onto local. And then what you want to do is just scroll down until you get to Roblox, or alternatively, you can just click onto any folder, press R, and that's going to take you to all the folders with R, and you can see we got Roblox there. So what you want to do next is double click onto that. And then from here, you're going to click on the folder called versions. What we now need to do is to disable this is basically all we want to do is delete the launcher beta. So this version here. So you just want to highlight that and press delete on your keyboard. And what you want to do is look for the latest version that's installed on your system of Roblox. So I've only got one folder, you might have multiple folders, but if you look at the date modified and you want to go for the one that's got the latest date. If you actually go into that folder, then what you're going to see is the actual Roblox player beta app down here. So again, what you want to do is just go ahead and delete that, and that should resolve the issue. So all you need to do now is just come back, load up Roblox as normal, and that should help resolve this problem. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. For that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.